Yo, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a DIY bleach tie-dye thing on sweatpants. So I saw this video going around, so I went through my closet and I was like, do I have anything that I can try this out on? And I do. So I'm gonna be doing it on these pants, and I just thrifted these pants, so they were only like $2, $3. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I see people doing is tying it. So I'm going to just bunch it up like that. And look, it has stains on it. I didn't even know that. Oh well. And there you go. I'm about to go to the bathroom now. Okay guys, so I barely left this in to bleach for like 10 minutes and it ate through. Oh my gosh, look, it ate through my pants. So these are not wearable. And I'm just thinking like what I can make out of them, because this leg is still good. I was thinking like making stacked pants again, but I'm not sure because this leg has a stain on it. And I don't know, just give me some ideas of what I could do, but this was a fail. I would leave it in to be bleached for like 5 minutes max, because it just ate through. And look up here too. Okay, so that's it for this quick little video. I hope you guys laughed at me because that was just a fail. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more. I'll do more DIYs and stuff like that when I figure out how to actually do them. But yeah, that's it. Bye.